Next topic in functions we will see composite functions. Let f of a to b is a function and g of b to c is another function. Then there exists a function from f to g like this type. G circle f a to c. That is the mapping mechanism. See, if A is a set and B is one more set and C is one more set, so f is a function defined from set A to set B and G is a function defined from set B to set C. And here if you have some element x, y, z, for suppose only one element I am taking for reference. So this is mapped to this one and this is mapped to this one. Okay. So then there exists a function from here to here which we need to map like this type, that is G circle f. Okay. So now to define G circle f, the necessary and sufficient condition here, see, f should be defined from A to B means here, if you observe this value, see, this is the codomain or the range. Okay, so if this is the codomain of f, that should be the domain of G. So that means if these two coincides, then only G circle f is defined. That means composition of between any two functions is defined only when the codomain of the first function is the domain of the other function. Then only that sequence is valid. In this case, if we take f circle G is not defined in this case, it doesn't mean that f circle G is not defined for every case. Okay, if you give simply like this, f is defined from R to R and G is defined from R to R. In this case, G circle f is defined and f circle G is also defined because this condition is satisfied over there. Okay, the simple condition G circle f is defined means G circle f is defined means we will start with f form. So whatever is there at the last, we will start with that one. In that f, what is the codomain we will check. That codomain should be the domain of G. Okay, while doing board level problems without bothering about this, we used to solve all the problems because there the structure is already pre-installed. That's why we are just solving the problems. But while solving the problems at JE level and advanced level, we need to check where the functions are defined. It plays very important role. If it is proper, then only we can define. From this we can write like this, see. So G circle f of x, if you want, we can write this one as G of f of x, that is equals to G of f of x is what here, x maps to this one, then this is f of x actually. So f of x value we can write y. Okay. And here y maps to this one means this is what actually G of y, the output of this function G. So now G of y we can write it as z. So this is the relation. G circle f of x equals to G of f of x and G of y, that is equals to z. So to define G circle f of from A to C, this is compulsory. If this notation is there, then we can. So while solving the problems in the exam, if the mapping was not mentioned, that the routine process will take the mapping as R to R. At that time, either G circle F or F circle G, both are defined. We will take a simple example. Say, let f of x equals to x divided by square root of 1 plus x square. Then f circle f and so on up to circle f of x 20 times. So how many times f circle is repeating is 20 times. So that is your mapping from f to f only, nothing was defined, means defined from real numbers to real numbers. Now first to handle that, we will take simple things, f circle f of x. This can be written as f of x. Now f of x is the given question, x divided by square root of 1 plus x square. Now if f of anything is there, so f of anything is there, that we need to substitute in the place of x of the question. So if you substitute this one in the place of x, then how it looks, see, x divided by root of 1 plus x square whole divided by square root of 1 plus x square means square of this one. Square of this one will be what? Will get x square by 1 plus x square. So this is f circle f of x. Now here see the denominator, if we observe, see, if we take LCM here, we will get 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square is 1 plus 2x square, and this part gets cancelled. That means finally what left here? X divided by root of 1 plus 2x square. For reference, we will find one more, that is f circle of x. F circle of f means we know that f of x. That is f of x is f circle f x we got here. That we will use here. X divided by under root 1 plus 2x square. Now this we will substitute in the original question. So that is x divided by under root 1 plus 2x square whole divided by square root of 1 plus square of this one. That is x square by 1 plus 2x square. Now again we will concentrate the denominator part. So here if I take LCM, you will get 1 plus 2x square plus x square. 1 plus 2x square plus x square is 3x square, and this part cancel. That means here what we are getting is x divided by under root 1 plus 3x square. Now here if you compare all the results what we got, f of x is x by root of 1 plus x square, and f circle f of x is x by root of 1 plus 2x square, and here we are getting x by root of 1 plus 3x square. 1 time, 2 time and 3 time the numerator is not changing, and there is a slight change in the denominator. Here x square coefficient is 1 because only 1 f, x square coefficient is 2 because 2 f's, x square coefficient is 3, we have 3 f's. Now we can predict, I am writing just ANS, that is final answer. Final answer is how many times f is repeating? 20 times. So the result is x divided by square root of 1 plus 20 x square.